Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another awesome computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to enable dark mode on Windows 11 Perfect if you want a sleek, eye-friendly look for your PC, especially during late-night work or gaming sessions. We'll go step by step to switch your system to dark mode, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's make your Windows experience stylish and comfortable. Stick with me, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar, and select Settings. Next, go to Personalization on the left sidebar, then click Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, you'll see a drop-down select Dark to enable dark mode across your system. You can also click Custom to mix and match, like dark for Windows but light for apps. One tip: if dark mode doesn't apply to some apps, they might not support it. Try updating them or checking their settings for a dark theme option. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments if you're a dark mode fan or prefer light mode. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.